Congress clears 5 more names for Lok Sabha polls. The Congress on Thursday night announced its second list for Telangana with 5 names for the parliament elections. Sitting BRS MP of Chevella constituency Ranjit Reddy has been fielded. After he switched sides, Sunita Mahendra Reddy will contest from Malkajgiri, another BRS MLA from Khairabad, Dhanam Nagendra, who joined the party a few days ago, is the Secunderabad candidate where he would take on Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy. As expected, Mallu Ravi's name was clear for Nagar Karnool constituency, while Gaddam Umsi Krishna is the candidate for Peddapalli constituency. So far, Congress has cleared names for 9 seats.